Do you want to add a stop on Google Maps? Then you are at the right place, as we have the right ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Add a stop on Google Maps on desktop. Go to https://www.google.com/maps and click the blue arrow next to the search bar to access directions. Enter a starting and ending destination. Underneath your ending destination, hit the plus sign which says Add Destination. Type in your stop to see directions. Repeat for multiple stops. You can reorder destinations by dragging the bullet points to the left of each destination's name. Method 2. Add a stop on Google Maps mobile app. Open the Google Maps app and select the blue arrow in the bottom right to access directions. Enter your starting point and ending destination. In the top right corner, hit the three dots and select Add Stop. Type in the name of the place or choose the destination from the map. You can add up to 9 stops on Google Maps. Reorder stops by dragging them on a desktop or long pressing them on mobile. This allows you to efficiently plan routes with multiple destinations along the way. And there you have it. The methods add a stop on Google Maps. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.